Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best skateboard wheels in the market, which are best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best is Shark Wheel 60mm 78A skateboard wheels. Say hello to the reinvention of the wheel. These are an advanced modification of the classic longboard. The usual wheels we used to see are round in shape, but these are squared shape but smartly engineered. Shark wheels also appeared on Shark Tank, and from that they got the boost. While you may feel that these can be bumpy or not smooth to ride, they are actually smoother than the conventional items and 3 times faster. You can ride them on a variety of different terrains, thanks to the 78A durometer. Furthermore, they have a special sidewinder formula for less friction and more traction, so you don't have to worry about losing control. This special formula enables you to have better control in rough and wet terrains. You can easily skate along a muddy terrain or even grass if it's not too thick. These wheels are efficient enough to push small rocks and other objects from your way, enabling you to ride smoothly and maintain momentum. However, unless you're a pro skateboarder, we suggest you stay away from wet terrains and always wear proper safety equipment. Moreover, these squared wheels offer more grip, sliding control, greater traction and are perfect rain and gravel ones. So, if you are curious to test out this reinvention of wheels, go ahead and try it today. You won't regret buying these. Pros: 60mm diameter, which makes them perfect for pro players. 78A durometer, 3 times faster and stable. Great for rough terrains and wet conditions. Cons: slightly expensive. Number 2. Our second best is Orangutank Agile 80mm downhill longboard skateboard cruising wheels. Orangutank Agile's downhill longboard skateboard cruising wheels are one of the top-rated skateboard wheels in the industry. They are well known for having wheels with large diameters. You can tackle most types of terrain with the 88mm length and 56mm width of these wheels. Made of urethane, these wheels are designed to ensure you remain stable and don't slip while you're rolling down the streets. The large diameter isn't there just for show. It gives you additional speed to ride faster. Not only are these wheels more responsive, but they also have more traction. The arched outer lip of the wheels stays firm and stable on the ground, preventing you from losing your balance. Moreover, the inner lips are at a slight inward angle, which allows you to smoothly drift on your skateboard. One of the key features of these wheels is the deep valley-shaped cross-section. It's responsible for reducing weight while giving you more acceleration and momentum. You don't have to worry about your wheels wearing out or getting damaged, as they are quite durable, allowing you to save up on replacement costs. Pros: urethane allows you to remain stable and maintain balance. Larger diameter gives additional speed. Responsive wheels. Deep valley-shaped cross-section reduces weight. Cons: wheels chip on rougher terrains. Number 3. Our third best is Spitfire Big Head skateboard wheels. The Spitfire Big Head are the wheels you can trust. These are hand-poured and made in the USA from the finest quality materials. If you often face defect issues with your skateboard wheels, Spitfire won't disappoint you. Not only are they made to last longer, but they also come with a guarantee against all manufacturing defects. With your purchase, you will get a set of 4 wheels with a pretty treaded surface, 51mm diameter and 99A durometer with a wide profile. This means these are the hard ones with more speed and less grip. Usually, hard wheels provide good speed but don't have a comfortable grip and stability. However, This is not the case with the Spitfire big head wheels because of their treaded surface and larger width. You will have the required stability and traction while skating. Even though they have a high durometer, still the width ensures better traction and stability at high speed. There is no chance that you slip out of your line. Their treaded surface improves its grip on smooth surfaces, which in case of hard wheels is pretty tough. Also, its 99A durometer makes them perfect for pools and parks. If you are a moderately skilled rider, these are the items you need for your skateboard. Pros: 51mm diameter, which is perfect for beginners. 99A durometer, offering better speed and traction. Wide profile provides more grip. Comes in beautiful white and royal blue color, which looks exotic under the board. Cons: no drawbacks. Number 4. Orangutan in heat. 75mm downhill cruising. The 75mm model of Orangutan has a pretty hard profile with sharp edges made of grip and thick lips that help maintain the speed. You'll also find rippled inner walls that act as progressive energy return on those sharp turns or when pumping. They have been designed to maintain grip and have a very smooth feel on nearly all types of terrains. They don't slide right of the box because of the firm grip and sharp edges. You have to ride them a bit to make them easily slide. If you want more sliding wheels, I would recommend trying the FREEDARE. These orangutan wheels are made for speedboarding in high speed and rough road courses because of their size and width of the contact patch. Maximum traction. Sharp, square lips provide maximum grip while still sliding smoothly when desired. Rippled urethane pattern provides progressive rebound. Strong, supportive core. The encapsulated core maintains a smooth ride and supports the lips for excellent traction and crisp slides. Overall, they offer outstanding performance, durability, traction and grip with the road. If you love to ride your skateboard at high speed, these items are perfect for you. Pros: versatile longboard, fast and well balanced, so you don't slip out of lane. Maximum traction and made with happy urethane. Strong and supportive core that maintains your balance. Cons: no drawbacks. Number 5. FREEDARE skateboard wheels. 52mm with bearings and spacers installed. Mentioned 3 times now. The FREEDARE are known for producing quality skateboard wheels at a reasonable price. It's known for its quality, built, stability and traction. These particular sets are great for casual skateboarding, skate parks and ramps. These are also great skateboard wheels for wood ramps. Since it's made of 52mm 95A polyurethane material, it's light and soft compared to other skateboard wheels on this list. Thus, you can use them on hard surfaces like pavement and concrete. The size of the wheel is 52mm diameter by 30mm width, just in the middle for amateur skaters or professional skaters to use. The bearing is 22mm 8mm, engraved on wheels, so every ride feels secure and tight. This wheel is also smooth, so there's less friction on the ground, making it easier to slide. When you ride, the wheel contact to the ground has a threaded surface, and thus it's great for all sorts of tricks. Talking about packing, this product comes with great packing, making it a good choice for gifts. Pros: great on wood ramps, light and soft, less friction on the ground. Ride feels secure and tight. Cons: bearings are a little questionable, so grab this while you can. Check the links in the description below. That's all about for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.